Jyoti. I am talking to you from MP. If I talk about my education qualification, I have completed my graduation as well as B.Ed. I have also cleared CTET exam. You can say Central Teachers Eligibility Test. And these days I'm working on communication skills, and because I want to comfortable in this language. If I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are changes with the time. And nowadays I am learning this language, so you can consider. And yeah, I am very passionate about this language. And so yeah, this is all about me, sir.
Okay, it's such a nice introduction, and it is not a big problem, big issue. At least you have taken a step towards English learning. So uh, and you just keep practice daily. Uh, you will be also be good in this speaking, and so
Yes, yes.
yeah. So you are from MP.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I am from MP. Okay, sir. So what do you do? I missed your profession. May I know?
Yeah, I'm a central government employee. I work at Indian Railways as a technician. Yeah, and I have joined. Yeah, I am working since 2013. It's been 10 years till now. 10 years, 10 plus years.
Okay, sir. So you are doing good job. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And so you are preparing for uh, uh, teacher job, government
It,
job, right?
yes, yes, yes. Yeah, yeah. I was preparing for government job for I have given also exam like KBS exam, but
Yeah.
unfortunately, sir, High Court decision is going on something. So that's the reason they didn't do any like further process, and they didn't provide my result also. So I left my preparation. And nowadays I am like waiting new vacancy, but I can't say anything what will happen because it is a very long process.
Yeah. If any vacancy case uh, goes in High Court or some other court, then it takes so long time to judgment. Yeah,
Yeah.
right.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So what do you
So,
do for improving your English? I think your English was already good, and you have improved and recently. And
yeah, if I talk about my uh, uh, English speaking methods, which I am following right nowadays. So uh, in my free time, I like to watch some my favorite YouTube channel on YouTube in the especially in the evening. Some for English grammar, some for vocabulary purpose, and for speeches, English speeches of 30 to 1 hour. Uh, so, and I also watch English movies if I have a plenty of free time. So
yeah.
that's all I am doing to improving my English. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, sir. So, sir, what is your channel name?
Yeah, my channel name is English and travel blogs. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I will share with you after this session.
Yes, sir. So, sir, when did you start your journey, English journey?
Uh, if honestly, if I tell you honestly, I have I have started my English journey just 3 months ago when I joined this English speaking group for my communication purpose.
Yes,
And
yes.
if I actually I am passionate. I was passionate about this language since my childhood, and I used to watch English movies in my childhood when I was yeah. I was age of 14 or 15 years. So, but lack of environment and lack of English speaking environment, I was not able to communicate with anyone, and I was also feeling some hesitation and before speaking in front of anyone. And
Yes, sir.
then when I joined this channel and um, uh, 3 months ago, uh,
Yes,
then my
sir.
English is improving day by day.
Yes, sir. Yeah, without talking anyone, I always feel like fear, how to talk with front of person. Yeah, there
Yeah.
are so many things. I am also feeling the same thing. And when I get try to connect with someone, so after connecting with, I feel also fear. We should talk or not. Yeah, how to talk with some front of person because I'm not good at. So yeah, these types of things I feel.
Okay. Is it true in starting time
Yes, yes,
you will feel nervous you will be nervous, you will feel some hesitation, and only you can remove all the conditions, all the problems that you are facing during English speaking by
yes,
doing practice, by doing practice. Yeah,
yeah.
and don't get afraid of mistakes or and
Yes.
don't be fearful. Uh, yeah, this is the
Yes.
only way. Can yeah
Yes, because this is not mother tongue and it will take time. Yeah,
yeah right.
and it is not like
So
just any subject we can cover 1 month, 2 months. It is a just language, so it is a part of process. It will take time, and
yeah, actually, it is because of our education system. Uh, uh, Education system. So because of education system, and that is the problem we are facing nowadays. Because we take it English as a subject, not a language. And our teachers, and or other persons also speak Hindi language or their native language in a school. In school. So and yeah,
yes,
and students also learn this language as a subject.
yes, yes,
They don't take it as a language.
yes, 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 yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, I am learning this language, sir. I want to job like as a teaching line. And so yeah, so that's why I'm learning this language. I am here, and yeah, because nowadays, without knowing English there is no future. We can't do anything. We can't enter any school, any like
Yeah,
anywhere. Yeah, so it is a very,
yeah, you are right.
yeah. And because I have
Yeah,
also I have also given one exam. So yeah, interviewer told me your English is not good. You need to update yourself, and so that's why, sir.
yeah. After after some days of practice, you will be fluent, and you will speak
Yeah.
in front of anyone. You will be able to speak in front of anyone, and you have to practice per day, I think, and 2 3 sessions you have to take per day. Whether it is video or audio, doesn't matter. You have to take 2 3 sessions, at least 2 3 sessions per day.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what other things do you do you are doing to improving your English language? Could you explain?
Yes, sir. To be honest, sir, I'm telling you, I do practice by myself, and because I am not comfortable with like everyone, so I always try to talk with myself. Sometimes I talk front of the mirror, sometimes I record myself, and in this way I am improving. And sometimes I call like audio call with some stranger people in like a Skype group, And yeah, so in this way, sir, I am improving. And
Yeah, you have to. I think you have to follow some good channels. That the channels they provide good content, and
yeah,
because on YouTube there are a lot of various types of channels are available. Some is good, some are good, and some are not good. So
yeah,
we have to find you have to find or we have to find a good channel which who provides good content, right?
yes,
Yeah. Okay. I will share one or two channels with you after this session. Uh, uh, One channel is for grammar and other one is for uh, methods. What 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 things we have to follow to improve our English.
yeah, sir. I always follow like a YouTube channel like Persona Institute. You
Yeah,
know?
yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I know. I am also following the channel for a long time, and
Yes,
it is very good for English
yes,
grammar. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah.
So yeah, I always follow search channel like Persona Institute. So whenever I get free time, so then I start watching video.
Yeah, yeah. I am fond of this channel, and I am also following this channel. And the teacher, the channel is very good.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes, yes. Okay, sir. So any sir, if you have any questions, you can ask me.
Okay. So, uh, what's your hobbies?
Yeah, I have already told you, sir. I don't have any like hobbies nowadays. And my hobbies are changes with the time because whenever I go, so yeah, nowadays I'm learning this language. I like teaching, sir. I also teach some student at my home nowadays, and yeah, like primary section. Yeah, I teach.
Okay,
So
primary section that for class 1 to 5th.
yeah, nursery to fifth standard I teach. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, so according to syllabus, I teach yeah how to put question, how to write answer questions, everything, whatever they have their books.
okay.
Yeah. So
What subject do you teach?
yes, if I talk about like tuition, so I teach every subject, all subject, and yeah, because in a primary sector I have done everything in my primary level, PRT level.
Okay, yeah, I was also a teacher before joining this job. Uh, I also teach. I was also teaching computer subject before joining
Yes,
this job. Yeah,
yes,
and I also have uh, applied in BTC for BTC, I was also selected for government college for training of 2 years. But I choose this job uh, over my teaching job. But now I regret. I regret because
so
I
sir,
have.
B.Ed and BTC.
Yeah, yeah. I have got government college for 2 years. 2 years training. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So why did you left your like teaching profession? Because teaching profession is good profession, sir.
Yeah. Now I am thinking. I have chosen BTC. Uh, because I was very fond of traveling and as you know, I am working for Indian Railways, and there is a pass facility, and we and uh, there is no need to spend money to travel anywhere.
Yes, yes, yeah, yes. Sir. But you are doing good job, sir. I think you don't need to. go any by profession like teaching?
It's okay. I'm also happy with this job.
Yes.
So,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I think, yeah.
okay. Okay. We will connect again. It was nice
Okay.
talking to you. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Have a
Okay,
good
sir.
day.
Yeah. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for connecting me. Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.